Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic. How to withdraw Tether, that's USDT, the stablecoin everyone's using, from your Trust wallet straight to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to keep your assets secure, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. We'll make it simple, straightforward, and safe, so you can do this in no time. First things first, let's talk about why you'd want to do this. Trust Wallet is great for everyday access, but Ledger Nano X offers top-tier hardware security with its offline storage. By the end of 2025, with all the new blockchain updates, it's even more crucial to move your assets to a cold wallet like this. Before we start, make sure you have your Trust Wallet app installed on your phone, your Ledger Nano X device set up and connected, and some Tether in your Trust Wallet. Also, double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware for 2025 compatibility. It's a quick download from their official site. Okay, let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Tether wallet. You'll see your balance there. Just tap on it to access the send or withdraw function. Next, on your Ledger Nano X, open the Ethereum app since Tether runs on the Ethereum blockchain. Confirm that your Ledger is unlocked and ready. Step 2. In Trust Wallet, hit the Send button. You'll need to enter the recipient address. That's the one from your Ledger. To get it, go to your Ledger device, select the Ethereum app, and it will display your wallet address on the screen. Carefully copy this address. Never type it manually to avoid errors. Step 3. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the Ledger address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Tether you want to withdraw, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which might be slightly higher in 2025 due to increased demand. Double-check everything: amount, address, and fees, then confirm the transaction. Once you hit send, Trust Wallet will process it, and you'll see a confirmation on your screen. Your Ledger might ask for your PIN to approve the receive. Sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes, especially with 2025's enhanced security protocols. Once it's done, check your Ledger's Ethereum app to verify your Tether has arrived. A quick word of caution: always use official apps and devices to avoid scams. In 2025, phishing is rampant, so enable two-factor authentication everywhere. If you run into issues, Ledger support is excellent. There you have it, folks. You've just securely withdrawn your Tether to your Ledger Nano X. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.